This video has been brought to you by My Extraordinary Productions, now offering a mobile self-tape service. Click the link in the description below. Making a short film can be a lot of fun, but you have to be surrounded by the correct people. The wrong people can turn an otherwise pleasant experience into a less than pleasant experience, and the right people can turn a struggle into a triumph. So, how do you find the people? So I'm a multi-hyphenate, which means that I do a lot of things, and because I tend to produce a little more sporadically than regularly, I tend to find a different combination of people every time I shoot something, and here's my usual process. First and foremost, I decide I am going to film something, which may seem really obvious, but you'd be surprised how often people don't do it in that order, and I am unfortunately including myself in that. Second, I figure out by this point how big the project needs to be, and from that, I figure out who I need to hire. So this vlog, for instance, I can do this by myself, even though I prefer to have another person, and maybe in the future I will have someone else there. But this vlog is totally a one-man operation at this particular second. If you're working on a smaller project, expect to have between 5 and 10 people on set. Now that I've decided who I'm hiring and I know how to make it worth their while, I start reaching out to people. So I'll often message people through Facebook or just text people. If I happen to run out of friends who I can ask, then I usually ask my friends if they know anyone who would be willing to help me shoot. Step 4, I have the interview process. So if I know you really well, the interview process is pretty much, hey, can you be here on Saturday? But if I don't know you, the interview process is a lot more involved. If I'm filming at my house or a relative's house, I need the trust to be there. I don't need to come back a week later and discover, oh, someone stole everything. Second, I'm about to drop a ton of money, usually easily $2,000 on a single day. I need to know that you're going to show up. If you do not happen to already be connected to a bunch of film people, what would you do at this point if you still needed to find someone? Well, at this point, I would recommend using Craigslist or Mandy with caution. I would strongly recommend a really good, thorough interview process just to make sure that who you get is who you're expecting. Once I have everyone in place, I give everyone a contract to sign that basically says, I know what is being requested of me, I know what my rate is, everything is fine, this is a fair trade. Then I scan everyone's contracts, send them through email, and we can have our shoot. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video for more content like this. Also, if you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.